Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are mostly lower, led by corn. It's down anywhere from 17 to 20 cents. I think yesterday the weather forecasters look for a mostly open weather week this week until maybe Thursday. Yesterday's maps only had about maybe 40 to 60% of the Midwest seeing rain Thursday through Saturday, with amounts relatively light, so it was a dry forecast. Today the maps are a little wetter, looking at maybe 75% of the Midwest seeing rains Thursday through Sunday, with most of the rains favoring east of the Mississippi. It's still negative to think that maybe by next Monday we could have 40, maybe 45% of the corn planted, which is okay for the marketplace. Outside markets are pretty quiet. Big week for the market as far as Friday. USDA will come out with a report. It includes the first guess by World Outlook Board for next year's U.S. and world supply and demand numbers, and also the first guesstimate of the U.S. winter wheat crop. On Friday, the crop tour in Kansas saw a 313 million bushel Kansas wheat crop versus 385 last year. That was probably a little bit lower than what the market had anticipated. But still, the big question for wheat is what's global wheat going to do as far as production is concerned, and what's the demand. Kind of behind the front scene is questions about global demand, whether it's due to the bird flu in China or just slowing world economy, and how that's going to impact the prices. And also we have to have a whole summer of weather. We did see one farm consultant suggest U.S. farmers add to some of their cash sales, not only for the 2013 soybean crop, but also start selling 2014, thinking that if we have a big tail to the South American crop, and if we have a normal crop here, prices of soybeans could go a lot lower than where they are right now, near the 12.25 area on both November 13 and November 14 numbers. So we'll trade weather this week, and then we'll trade the USDA report on Friday, and we'll see how things go. But it looks like a little bit better weather for U.S. farmers to get crops planted. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.